In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a sign-up link for my Constant Contact newsletter. To begin, log in to your Constant Contact account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the main menu and go to Sign Up Forms. This is the section where you can manage the forms people use to join your newsletter list. When you open Sign Up Forms, you can either select an existing form or create a new one. If you already have a form that you want to use, simply open it and review the details to make sure everything looks correct before sharing it. This is a good option if your newsletter sign-up form is already set up and you just need the link. If you need to create a new form, click Create. Constant Contact will then ask you to choose a form type. For example, you may see options like an inline form or a pop-up form. An inline form is useful if you want the sign-up area to appear directly on a page of your website. A pop-up form can be helpful if you want it to stand out more and get attention from visitors. After choosing the form type, customize your form fields and design. This is where you decide what information people should enter when they sign up and how the form should look. Keep the layout simple and clear so it is easy for people to complete. You can also make sure the design matches the style of your brand or website, which helps create a more professional and consistent experience. Once your form is ready, click Activate or Publish. This is the step that makes the form available for people to use. After it is activated, Constant Contact will provide you with a share URL. This is the direct link people can use to access your newsletter sign-up form. Copy that link and then place it wherever you want people to subscribe. Common places include your website, your social media profile, or your email signature. Adding the link in these locations makes it easy for visitors, followers, and contacts to find your newsletter and sign up quickly. Before you finish, it is a good idea to test the link yourself to make sure it opens the correct form and works as expected. That way, you can be confident that your audience will have a smooth sign-up experience. That covers everything you need to know.